Chevrolet, or Chevy as many of us call it, is a name that has echoed through the streets of Egypt. It's one of those brands that just feels familiar, almost like part of the family. The story began over a century ago in America. Chevy built reliable, stylish, affordable cars for everyone. That philosophy made Chevrolet part of General Motors, a global automotive giant. In Egypt, the legacy is especially strong. You don't have to look far to spot a Chevrolet cruising Cairo's roads, or parked neatly in an Alexandria suburb. A real testament to trust Egyptian drivers place in the brand. Chevrolets are straightforward to maintain and inexpensive to run. They're sturdy enough for the unique challenges of local roads. Chevrolet understands the Egyptian market, value over frills. Generations have owned Chevrolets, one after another, but the brand is evolving, updating popular models for modern expectations. Enter the 2025 Chevrolet Optra, a perfect example. We'll look at design, tech, performance, safety, and ownership value, and how Chevrolet balanced desirability with practicality. Let's start with a walk-around of the Optra's exterior. Chapter 1. A walk-around of the 2025 Optra's exterior. When you first lay eyes on the 2025 Optra, the word is modern. Designers gave it a much-needed refresh, sleeker lines and a bold face. A front three-quarter view shows cohesive proportions. Gone is the plain look of earlier models. This feels upscale, smooth, aerodynamic shape, flowing creases from bonnet to boot. Chrome trim adds a premium touch. The stance feels planted and confident on the road. Well-defined wheel arches and sporty dual-tone alloys give presence. A gentle roof slope keeps the silhouette modern. It appeals to younger buyers while staying dignified for families. Practical enough for family life, understated and useful. Walk-around and subtle changes prove effective. Dimensions suit Egyptian city life. Large enough inside, compact outside, it feels substantial on the inside, yet nimble enough for tight parking. Boot opens wide to reveal generous capacity. From every angle, the Optra looks thoughtfully designed. A handsome, capable family sedan before you step inside. The exterior successfully repositions Optra, a step up in desirability. Desirable trim details and practical cargo space work together. Next, we'll dive into the modern design details. Grille, lights, alloys, and more. Now let's dive into the design details that elevate the Optra. The biggest change lives in the front end. It features Chevrolet's signature dual-port grille, bold and recognizable. Swept-back headlamps give a refined look. On higher trims, LED daytime running lights boost visibility and style. The front end gives the Optra an assertive road presence. Stylish multi-spoke alloys add a sporty flair. A clear upgrade compared to old steel wheels and hubcaps. The look makes the car feel more agile. Body-colored handles and mirrors create a seamless premium look. Some trims add integrated turn indicators in the mirrors. Thoughtful touches show Chevrolet cared about more than basics. At the rear, modern design language continues. Large wraparound taillights make the car look wider and stable. Distinct taillight signature helps ID the Optra at night. A subtle integrated spoiler adds a sporty hint and slight aero help. Rear design is tidy and well-resolved. Everything works together into a cohesive package. The sharp grille, LED lights, smart alloys, and clean rear create a car that's stylish yet practical. Chevrolet aimed to offer more than basic transport, a car its owner can be proud of. Open the door, and the Optra's cabin prioritizes space and practicality. It feels roomy for a car of its class. Ample headroom and legroom make finding a comfortable position easy. The rear bench offers surprising space for adults. 3 can fit for short city trips without feeling squashed. A relatively flat floor helps middle passengers. Space is a key selling point for Egyptian families. Room for children, grandparents, and friends, comfortably. The cabin feels open and airy. Practical storage is everywhere. Door pockets, glove box, cup holders. The boot offers large cargo capacity, ideal for groceries and luggage. With 60/40th split folding, you expand cargo into the cabin. Interior is sensible design, comfortable and versatile. Materials are durable, built to last over family life. Whether stuck on the 6th of October bridge or heading out of town, it stays comfortable. A pleasant, user-friendly environment complements the Optra's role as a family workhorse. Chevrolet focused on fundamentals, space, comfort, and usability over luxury. Next up, the Optra's simple and smart features, the tech that matters. The Optra doesn't skimp on essential tech, starting with the touchscreen. An 8-inch user-friendly screen sits at the heart of the dash. It's your hub for music, calls, and vehicle settings. Phone pairing is straightforward. Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay compatible. Multiple USB ports keep phones charged for everyone. Steering wheel controls let you answer calls without taking hands off the wheel. The instrument cluster uses clear analog dials plus a small digital readout. You get fuel level, average consumption and trip distance at a glance. All presented cleanly, not overwhelming. A capable AC system is essential here. It cools the cabin quickly. In Egypt's climate, that makes a big difference. Passengers stay comfortable even on scorching days. The UX is simple. You don't need to be a tech expert. Bluetooth, USB ports, easy audio, the tech you actually use. Smart functional tech that makes daily driving easier. It gives the conveniences you need without expensive systems that bump the price. Up next, the engine, transmission and driving feel, how it behaves on Egypt's roads. Lifting the bonnet reveals the heart. A tried and tested 1.5-liter four-cylinder petrol engine. A simple, durable inline-four built for reliability, known for straightforward engineering and longevity, not built for speed, built for smooth, dependable driving. It produces enough power for daily city use and highway merges. Power delivery is gentle and predictable, easy to drive, paired with a smooth automatic, CVT simulated 8 speeds, excellent for stop-and-go traffic. A real advantage for Cairo's notorious jams. Shifts are seamless and keep RPMs low. Fuel consumption averages around 7.3 L per 100 kilometers. Economical for the class. Fewer trips to the pump means more money in your pocket. Engineered to be frugal in city and highway driving. Suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps on Egyptian roads. Passengers remain relaxed. Smooth and settled ride. Steering is light and responsive, effortless in tight spaces. Brakes offer good feedback and confidence when you need to stop. Put it together, smooth, quiet, efficient, dependable urban mobility. Next, the Optra Safety Kit. Active and passive systems that protect your family. Choosing a family car means safety comes first. The 2025 Optra comes with a solid safety suite. A reinforced safety cage forms the car's protective shell. Front airbags for driver and passenger inflate instantly in a crash. Airbags work with seat belts, your most important safety device. ISOFIX anchor points make installing child seats secure and easy. ABS prevents wheel lockup during hard braking. EBD distributes brake force to keep the car stable. ESC and traction control help prevent loss of control. TPMS and hill hold add convenience and safety in daily use. Rear doors include child safety locks, a small important detail. Crash structure and airbags protect occupants in a real impact. Together these systems form a comprehensive passive and active safety package. The best accident is the one you avoid. Optra helps you do that. The 2025 Optra is designed to get you there, and to get you there safely. Chevrolet's safety approach is thorough, from design to testing. Next, why local assembly and warranty matter for ownership value in Egypt. One major advantage, the 2025 Optra is assembled right here in Egypt. Local assembly at GM's 6th of October city plant keeps costs down. That directly helps keep the final price competitive. Local assembly means parts are more readily available and affordable. You won't wait weeks for shipments from overseas. Quick repairs mean less downtime for your family. The Optra is backed by a generous warranty, 5 years or 150,000 kilometers in many markets. Factory inspections and quality checks give added assurance. Defects covered under warranty are repaired or replaced at no charge. This translates into real peace of mind for buyers. Local assembly, available parts and warranty make ownership inexpensive over time. A strong dealer network supports routine service and repairs. Long lines of Optras in service show the model's durability and popularity. It's a car designed and supported locally, built with the Egyptian driver in mind. Affordable to buy, cheap to run, and easy to maintain, a powerful ownership package. Finally, let's decide. Is the 2025 Optra your next family car? So, is the 2025 Optra the best sedan deal in Egypt today? For city families and practical individuals, the answer is yes. Modern styling, roomy cabin, efficient engine, strong safety and warranty. It looks sharp and feels more expensive than its price. Inside, a spacious cabin and a large, flexible boot. Tech that matters, touchscreen, phone connectivity, and strong AC. The 1.5L engine plus CVT delivers relaxed, fuel-efficient driving. Safety tech and a strong warranty complete the package. From school runs and grocery trips to weekend getaways, the Optra handles it all. It's an excellent entry into new car ownership for first-time buyers and commuters. It offers the room and features of pricier cars at a fraction of the cost. Picture yourself behind the wheel, navigating the city with ease and comfort, a cool, quiet cabin, plenty of space, a dependable companion for everyday life. If you're looking for practical, affordable, and stylish mobility, book a test drive at your local Chevrolet dealer today.